You don't need a pressure washer to clean your patio. I've got one, but with joints like this, I'm not risking blowing them out. So I did it a different way. This is what I'm starting with, a year's worth of dirt and grime to get rid of. I repointed the main patio last year, but this section hasn't been done yet. So these joints are on their way out. If I use the pressure washer here, the joints will wash out. And I have enough jobs to do this summer without some repointing added to that list. I found this method is actually easier and quicker than using the pressure washer. As usual, I'm clearing the area ready to clean and then removing all of the loose dirt and debris. Otherwise, once it's wet, you're just making a mess. I damp everything down to soften the dirt for the next step. This is sodium hypochlorite. This is actually what kills the algae and lifts the dirt. I'll leave links in the description to the exact stuff you need. You can use this stuff neat, which is what I did when I first cleaned these reclaimed slabs, which were badly marked. But because these slabs are now just dirty, I'm mixing it with water at a ratio of around 5:1. When using this stuff, make sure you use PPE and wear old clothes because they will get bleached. You can apply it in different ways, but in this case, I'm going to use a bucket and a brush so that I can agitate the dirt slightly as I apply it. If you have grass or plants next to your slabs, it's worth giving these a water to avoid damaging them if you splash any. Just apply a good covering to the whole area and leave it to do its magic. I left mine for about 20 minutes, and because it was sunny, I made sure none of the areas dried out in that time. After that, you simply rinse it off, and you can see the difference straight away. The colour comes back to the slabs, and the green tinge is removed. And this is the result. No pressure washer needed, and it's come up as clean as when I use mine. Even when I do use the pressure washer, I still end up using sodium hypo afterwards to get it properly clean, so it actually takes me longer.
Don't in the glass. Don't in the glass. Don't in the glass.
Unless the patio gets really dirty this year, the pressure washer might be staying in the shed again next time. If you have particularly stubborn dirt, lichen or black spots on your slab, check out this video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.